How to fix content not accessible on Roblox due maturity restrictions. One of the solutions to turn this padlock button into a play button is: after you log in Roblox, go to the home page. Then tap on More at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down a little and choose Settings. After that, go to Privacy. Then select Content Maturity. Pay attention that this must be done by someone who is not restricted by age. Finally, you can set the content maturity as minimal, mild, moderate, or restricted. You can set this option by moving the button to the right or to the left. The closer this button be to the minimal choice, the more games with padlocks there will be. On the other hand, the more the option be closer to the restricted option, the more games with the play button there will be due the maturity content. Touch the subscribe button for more Roblox tutorials, and if this video helped you, give it a like so you help me too.